Today we're talking about a small but super important part of your car, the voltage regulator. If your car's electrical system is acting weird, this little device could be to blame. I'll explain the common symptoms, where you'll notice them, and also where the regulator is actually located in your car. First off, where is the voltage regulator? The voltage regulator is usually built inside the alternator on modern cars. On older vehicles, it can be a small separate box mounted on the firewall, fender, or near the alternator. Now, let's talk about the symptoms of a bad voltage regulator. First, dimming or flickering lights. If your headlights or dashboard lights keep getting brighter, then dimmer, then back again, that's a classic sign. The voltage regulator is supposed to keep things steady, but when it fails, the voltage jumps around. Second, dead or weak battery. A faulty regulator can either overcharge or undercharge your battery. If it's undercharging, your battery won't hold enough power to start the car. If it's overcharging, it can actually cook the battery and shorten its life. Third, weird dashboard behavior. You might see warning lights randomly flicking on and off, or your gauges acting like they've gone crazy. That's because the voltage isn't stable, and the car's electronics don't know how to react. Fourth, engine performance issues. Believe it or not, the regulator can affect the way your engine runs. If the alternator is pushing out too much or too little power, sensors in the ECU may get the wrong readings, leading to rough idling, stalling, or misfires. And finally, burning smell or hot alternator. If the regulator is letting too much voltage through, the alternator and wiring can overheat. Sometimes you'll even smell burning plastic or see smoke, and that's when you need to stop driving immediately. So those are the key symptoms of a bad voltage regulator. If you've noticed any of these, don't ignore them. It's always better to test your charging system before it leaves you stranded. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.